turbo time, turbo time.
Can you set it in here?
Yeah, put it wherever you want.
Awesome. Thank you.
No problem. But it'd be so funny, he just gets back and we're like, hey, your turbo kit's there. It's just all unboxed already.
While you were gone, Timmy opened the box.
No, kidding. They said Timmy opened the box. Okay guys, so this box I've been wanting to get for 4 years now. This is the Speed Tech top mount single turbo kit. This is what everybody wants to see anyways. All I really want to see is the manifold. This manifold should be the fastest spool time on a top mount. There's like no plumbing. It should be instant spool. Probably I've been waiting so long. Okay, turbo time, turbo time. I did go with the Precision 6266 Gen 1. There she is. Now I just gotta get it on. So update, so we got the kit fully out to start to assemble, and Speed Tech does not send manifold gaskets. Got me some, I get back to the shop and they're too big. So I cut them to fit. So hopefully everything seals in there, but we'll see. But I got the manifold on. I'm torquing it down right now, and then we can start proceeding with the turbo and the other oil lines. So now hopefully everything else is smooth sailing. We'll see what it looks like in like an hour. Something. It looks smaller than I imagined.
Need a bigger turbo.
Bigger turbo, yep. So right now, we're going to splice into our max solenoid so we can run proper boost, not run off wastegate. That's a bad explanation. So I am soldering with a lighter, slightly burning some things. It's okay. It's smoking, that's hot. It means it's working.
Dude, it's 2 wires. You put a turbo in a weekend, it's 2 wires.
I have to go bolt the last line to the wastegate from the max solenoid, and then we should be able to download the tune, and this should run. Should. Okay.
This is the big moment?
Big moment.
All right.
So that sounds to me like ethanol reference.
Throw code? No, looks good.
Think it's good?
Sounds good. You hear that? Damn. You full sent it. God damn. Alright.
Are you ready?
No, I'm not ready.
Okay. Is it gonna blow up?
No, it's too slow.
You should be fine. Ready.
Bye.
This is gonna be amazing.
So scary. I'll have to let her warm up for a little bit. Sure, I brought my wallet. We're about out of gas. It's okay, it's cold outside.
Is that what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like normally those sounds mean bad things.
Yeah, bad thing. She makes boost a whole lot better than the twins did. It's 4.5 pounds. This is nervous.
Yeah.
Nervousing.
It sounds sick though. Oh.
That was 10 pounds.
That was 10? Wait, so are you logging right now?
No, I'm just watching. Just checking AFRs.
Everything's good?
Everything is good so far.
Oh my, that sounds insane.
That was just 11.8 pounds.
Holy.
This is making boost way too fast. Like, I'm scared what a full pull is gonna do. It sounds good.
Oh, it sounds so good. he wants it.
I let out because I didn't like something. I'm just gonna try to go.
Gone. Did he even go?
I don't know. It is on 12 pounds.
Damn, that was 12 pounds?
Yeah. Like we're not even getting into the car at all.
When this thing is done,
Yeah.
it's gonna eat.
We're only hitting 12, so Ken's got it.
A limit.
He's got it dialed down.
Dude, how'd it feel?
It's feeling good.
Yeah.
Feels pretty smooth.
It sounds good.
Car feels good. Like it's a little bit slower than the Twins right now.
Yeah.
It feels good.
Yeah.
Like it feels.
It feels smooth.
Yeah, it feels way more healthy than before.
Yeah.
The car feels better. We're just like grazing the potential of what
Yeah.
this car can do. Yeah, we're stopping at 12 on the dot, so he's got to have it. Or we have a leak.
One of the two.
One of the two. Yeah, she's calling for 17 and we're only hitting 12.
Okay, so we're gonna go figure out this boost leak.
Sounds so good. Get me in. Ow, my toe. Am I hitting anything?
Just your mirror. Hell yeah. Good first drive.